Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to block someone on Snapchat. Blocking someone can help you maintain privacy and prevent unwanted interactions on your account. So, let's get started on how to block someone on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Go to the chat section by tapping on the chat icon from the bottom of your screen. Here, scroll down and find the user that you want to block. Once you find the user, long press the user's name. Here, tap on the Manage Friendship option. From the menu that appears, tap on the Block option. A confirmation menu will appear asking if you really want to block the user. Simply tap on the Block option and block the user. And this is how you can block someone on Snapchat.
Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.